Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up the Llama system, a local RAG setup using Mistral 7 billion model that lets you chat with your own documents and PDFs. Imagine asking questions and getting answer from your files, no more endless searching. I will guide you through the process step by step so you can unlock the power of your personal knowledge base. Let's dive in. So here in this data folder we have to keep all of our PDF documents, and what are the data we have to keep in this folder with various languages, like this is the in Arabic one. Now let's open the CMD. Here is the Word file. Suppose let's say I'm adding some data or some information in this doc file, and we will retrieve it using the AI chatbot in the terminal. So first we have to process all of the document and create the vector database using this Python file. It will process on all the files which I have kept in the data folder. It will create the embedding and vector database. So it's saved in the DB folder. So here we have to ask our question. We have to type our question. Right now I'm just randomly typing the question. So let's say what answer we are getting. So right now it shows a generic or random answer it retrieves from the model. Let's retry. So right now I'm just randomly asking the question. Let's say what is the expertise of agency. So now it retrieved the data from the document properly. Let's say what technology they are using. And so here it answer incorrectly, but it retrieved from the model. Let's retry. So right now it's fetched the proper answer and give us the specific answer from the document. Let's ask another question. So now it is fetching the proper details.